Facebook retargeting tips to skyrocket your ROAS part 5. Let's talk about another brilliant retargeting strategy, FAQ ads. Now you must be wondering what on earth are FAQ ads, and if you aren't, mazel tov, and comment down below old strategy, cliche, or just scroll away. Now for those who are still here, let me explain this approach. Well, it's quite simple. In this approach, we delve into the customer journey and identify potential objections your customers might have. You know, those pesky doubts that keep them from hitting that buy button. And if you're unsure of what your customers' objections might be, no problem. Take a quick tour of online forums, Reddit or Facebook communities relevant to your industry. Watch what people have to say about your competitors. I guarantee you'll find a goldmine of common objections that you can address in your ads. And here's an extra tip. You can integrate these FAQ ads into the video sequence strategy we discussed in part 3 of this sequence. It's like creating a comprehensive ad journey that answers all their doubts one ad at a time. Stay tuned and follow for part 6. We are not done yet.